Hi there, students. I had a question from English Vibes about what's the difference between to contend, to jockey, and to vie. So these are all talking about taking part in a competition, competing with other people. So I think the most common one is to contend, to compete with others in a struggle to achieve something. So yeah, there were several contenders in the competition. Yeah, he's contending to become the world champion. Yeah, you can also contend with something, to contend with a difficulty, to try to surmount, to struggle with a difficulty. Yeah, okay, and you can also contend to assert that something is true. But here we're looking about the idea of competition with content. Okay, I think to contend and to vie, to contend with someone, to vie with someone. I think these two words are very close synonyms. Yeah, to vie with someone, to compete with them. They are vying for the championship. They're contending for the championship. All of the kids were vying for their mother's attention. Yeah, they're to fight for superiority, to compete eagerly to gain something. But all of those are also good definitions of the word to contend. Now, to jockey is slightly different. You jockey to get position. To jockey is to maneuver, to try different tactics, to try different things. And this, you jockey while you are contending with other people. Yeah, a jockey's a person who rides a horse. Yeah, and when they get near the finish line, they start jockeying for position to be able to have a good run straight for the finish line. So they're pushing each other about, and this is the idea of jockeying. So all of the contenders were jockeying to get the best position. Okay, so to jockey for something, yeah, to jostle or push around, to maneuver by skill to your best advantage, particularly this phrase to jockey for position. Yeah, to use your intelligence, your skill, your cleverness to maintain a good position. You can also jockey something into a space. So I had to park the car in a really small parking space, and I had to jockey it into position, to maneuver it, to get it into the right space. Yeah, you're going to have to jockey that to get it to fit in the gap. Okay, so that's maybe a more metaphoric meaning of it. But in this, the idea of to jockey is using your skill, your intelligence, using whatever methods you can in order to get what you want. So clearly there was a promotion available, and everybody in the office was jockeying for that promotion. Yeah, I think in politics, always politicians are always jockeying to make their opponents look stupid. Yeah, okay, so to jockey for position, yeah, to try and get the best position. Okay, and then this verb to vie, to compete, to strive for victory, to strive for authority. And I'm going to use the word contend. So to contend and to vie, you are vying with other people, or you're vying with difficulty. Yeah, you are contending with a difficulty, or you're contending with other contenders. So let's look at some origins. Okay, so to contend comes from Latin contendere, con, together, and tendere, to stretch. So I guess you stretch together, trying to do your best. The word jockey comes from actually the word jock, which is a Scottish word for John, but we can also use jock for the word to mean a bloke. Yeah, there were a couple of jocks in the pub. Well, using that, Scottish blokes, Scottish people. Yeah, and I guess a jockey is a person who rides a horse, and they're always manoeuvring for position. And then finally, to vie. Okay, to vie with somebody, to compete with someone. Okay, to vie. Let me try a little bit more with this. Okay, so they're always vying for position. They're vying to get the best spot. They're vying to get the most interesting place. Yeah, and I think this word is related to rival. Yeah, it's actually the etymology is originally from the word envy. Yeah, envy. Yeah, if you're envy, you're jealous of other people. So I guess if they're vying, you're contending. You're maybe envious of the other people's characteristics. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. So, to vie with somebody, to jockey with someone, and to contend with someone or something.